Effect is a global leader with over 20 years' experience in the development and manufacture of medical devices used to treat lymphedema and lymph disorders, vascular diseases, circulatory disorders, prevention of deep vein thrombosis, and peripheral arterial disease. Effect produces a wide range of products marketed worldwide, including the outstanding Lympha Press devices. The Lympha Press Plus device is another Effect advanced product. It's a sequential calibrated gradient pneumatic compression therapy system for treatment of lymphedema and venous insufficiency. The Lympha Press Plus is designed for professional medical use in clinics and hospitals at pressures between 20 and 130 millimeters of mercury. The Lympha Press Plus provides 5 main treatment cycles which can be combined in different ways to provide numerous treatment combinations: pre-therapy cycle, Lympha cycle, balancer cycle, wave cycle, and gradient cycle. We will explain each cycle. The pre-therapy cycle. This cycle primes the proximal areas, preparing them to accept the lymphatic fluid that will be mobilized during the main treatment cycle. It first drains the proximal areas closer to the torso and then works down. The Lympha cycle is generally used as the main treatment cycle, either by itself or after pre-therapy. The Lympha cycle applies a directional massage that starts at the base of the treated limb, over the leg or arm, and progresses upwards towards the torso until the entire limb is compressed. When the compression wave reaches the top of the limb, the pressure is released for a brief period, allowing lymphatic and venous refill. The wave cycle starts at the base of the limb, over the leg or arm. As the cell at the front of the wave inflates, the cell at the back of the wave starts to deflate. So at any one time, only a small area is under compression. The balancer cycle works like the wave, but is based on speed and not on pressure. Each cell inflates within a fixed time depending on the requested speed. The regular wave-like motion of the balancer cycle is very relaxing and is recommended for the improvement of circulation and lymphatic drainage. The gradient is similar to the Lympha cycle, used for the same purpose, but the user can set the pressure for each cell in the compression garment. The pressure control unit ensures a positive gradient of pressure from distal to proximal. Minimum gradient is 1 millimeter mercury. First, connect the sleeve hose bundles using the large gray connectors to the right and left air outlets of the device and snap up to lock it. To operate the device, you can either use the control panel or you may connect the device to a computer after installation of the software in the purchase package. For using the device, when using the control panel, turn on the device. You will hear a short series of clicks while the system initializes the values. To enter the data, use the 4 keys on the control panel. The up and down keys are used to scroll up and down through the setting options. The Enter Next key enters your setting and/or moves on to the next programming step. For choosing the cycle mode, scroll with the up and down keys until you reach the editing option. Press the Enter Next key to begin editing the program. Select one of the 6 steps to be edited from the program the device comes with. Find the right step using the up or down keys. Press Enter Next to enter the first step. Now, you can use the up or down key to select the appropriate cycle for the actual step, pre-therapy, Lympha, balancer, etc. Press Enter Next. If you do not want to change the parameters of the cycle you have selected, you can exit by pressing up or down, or continue editing by pressing Enter Next. To continue, Press Enter Next in order to get into editing the parameters of the cycle you have just selected. For example, press up or down to adjust the treatment time. Then press Enter Next twice to reach the next parameter, and so on. Press Enter Next to stop editing and return to the main menu, or change by using the up or down buttons to Yes to continue editing. Then press Enter Next to continue editing the second step. When the program contains less than 6 steps, select End Program as the next step. Press Enter Next to stop editing and return to the main menu. To begin treatment, press the Start/Stop button. If you feel uncomfortable with the pressure, you can decrease it by pressing the down key. The pressure decreases immediately to the value on the display. In the same way, you can increase the pressure while the pressure control unit is operating by pressing the up key. After treatment has ended, toggle the switch to off and remove the sleeve from the limb. MegaEffect manufactures a wide range of medical sleeves for use with the Lympha Press Plus, including medical jacket, medical pants, comfy arm sleeve, and comfy sleeve. Always use MegaEffect products after consulting your physician. For further information, please visit the MegaEffect website at the address www.megaeffect.com.